All right guys, so here's how we throw it in the actual line lock mode. All right, so now that we are ready to perform the actual line lock, what we need to do is go down to our mode switch over in our center console, and we are going to go down to track, hit select. Now we are also going to hit our traction control button twice, and that pulls up all of our traction management stuff. We're going to dial it down to, I believe it works in Sport 1, Sport 2, or Race. We'll just go ahead and throw it in Race mode, and then we will use our D-pad there on the steering wheel, and we are going to go left down to the options, select our options, and you may have to scroll. Mine happens to be on that top page, which is launch control. We are needing to take the parking brake off, and now it lets us know that parking brake is released, the launch control is ready. We're going to hit the right button one time, go down to line lock, select line lock. Now it tells us to firmly apply the brakes. Once we've hit that 100%, they are locked and ready. We can let off of the brakes. We've got a 15-second timer that we can sit there and do our standing burnout, get the tires warm before we take off. Now, also you can hit the cruise control and select button on the steering wheel anytime in that 15-second window if you want to cancel that sooner. Now, obviously it saw we didn't attempt to do a burnout. We just stood there and talked about it, so it went ahead and applied the parking brake because it doesn't know why we didn't do anything. But that's at least the steps how to do it. So let's see if we can put all of those into play and actually make some smoke. So we got that line lock on, we got the brakes pressed, we let off the brakes, give the quick throttle a stab, roll off the clutch, and we're doing things. And that's apparently how we do a line lock burnout. And we've officially done our first line lock burnout or standing burnout, and that was exciting. That made a lot more smoke than I thought. So I don't know how long we're gonna be able to hang around here and play, but that was fun. Cut off the brakes.